Kenya Prisons odiochieng' ma kawuono ne obago nyasi mar sidho kendo odhialo jotije mage mosetimo makare e pewe mopogore opogore mag tuke pacho ka kod pinje maoko. Nyasi manobagi ka tiegruok mar Prison Staff Training College. Nyasi noyore kod jagoro mongire migawo mar tuke Elijah Mwangangi manopuoyo Prisons kuom siro kama duong' tuke pacho ka. Jagoro mongire bad migawo mar kuonde twech Laktar Salome Biako ne opuoyo gi kuom siro weche tuke makare kidienje mopogore opogore.
These achievements are not just trophies on a shelf. They are a living testament to the spirit of excellence that defines the Kenya Prison Service. Today, we proudly honor sportsmen and women who have donned national colors, coaches who have received world-class training, and referees accredited by leading global federations.
I don't see why Kenya Prison Service cannot participate in Winter Olympics. That is an avenue that we have never even scratched. And yet there are very many things we can do.
In the next 1 year or so, in the year 2027, we shall be hosting AFCON. And we are expected to have as many as possible training fields. We shall be liaising with the peers and the management of Kenya Prison Service, in liaison with our minister, the president, to see to it that we can develop. Of course, he has given directive that we do a stadium for the Kenya Prison Service.